Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon. We're back again with the podcast at Global AppSec Europe in Vienna, and we have a wonderful human being and an amazing project leader or a contributor for OWASP, Josh Grossman. Hi Josh.
Hey, how's it going?
Yeah, amazing. It's always a pleasure meeting you, and thanks for joining me to this podcast. Now, I know that you have released a wonderful project, OWASP Agast.
Yeah.
So we want to know about it, but why don't you share what you're doing with OWASP because you do a lot. You've been doing a training as well, so why don't you talk about yourself and then talk about the new project for our Spotlight series?
Yeah. So, my name's Josh Grossman. I work as an AppSec specialist, working with organizations, helping them build securely. It's been a busy week here. I started off the week with a couple of days of training, a new training course about repeatable, automatable, valuable code security scanning, trying to find real security issues in your code that the generic tools aren't going to find. I'm also on the OWASP events committee, so I've been very busy this week as well with lots of cool new activities we've had here at this fantastic AppSec Vienna conference. And if that wasn't enough, I also released a new OWASP project yesterday in the one of the project rooms, which is called OWASP Agast. So, yeah.
What this project is all about. We want to know and where people can find it and how they can contribute to it.
Yeah. So, Agast is an orchestrator to help write and execute custom code security rules. So you can find all sorts of SaaS code security scanning tools on the market, but they'll find like a certain set of technical vulnerabilities that cross-site scripting, SQL injection. But there are a whole bunch of other vulnerabilities in your code related to how your application works, how your business processes work that the generic tools aren't going to find. I started working with organizations and trying to find ways of finding these issues like authorization issues, business logic problems, and other control issues. And I realized I had all these rules that I'd written, and I wanted to run them on different code bases, but I had no way of orchestrating it. So I had no way of saying, okay, well, these rules should run on this repo, and these rules should run on that repo. And Agast gives me that capability. And then eventually I got to the point where I'd written some custom static rules, and I said, well, I can get so far with this, but now this is getting a bit more complicated. It's more of a complicated problem. I want to use AI analysis as well. So Agast also allows me to combine the static rules with AI analysis. So I can use static rules to find particular problem points in the code and then use AI analysis to say, is this really a problem? So that's the overall concept of the tool. It's an open source, free tool, now released through OWASP that anyone can use and bring their AI provider, write some static rules and find the problems in their code bases. So if you want to find out more information, you can look at agast.owasp.org. And you can find information and links to the GitHub there.
Great. Thank you so much, Josh. And I am sure people will reach out to you for Agast. Now, apart from Agast, any other project that you're working on and people can contribute to it?
So there's also the application security verification standard. We were very excited to release version 5 last year. That was a big release. A lot of changes went into that, and we're now sort of gathering ourselves together and preparing to sort of push forward a little bit on that. So that's asvs.owasp.org, and that will again lead you to the relevant GitHub repositories. And if you're already using version 5, we've got ideas that what you want to see in the next update, then open up issues in our GitHub, and we're going to start working through those over the next few months. I had a great chat with a couple of the ASVS contributors actually here yesterday because we finally got to meet in person, and we've got a plan for moving that forward.
Oh, thank you so much, Josh, for joining me today and sharing the wonderful insights.
It's great to see you. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you so much.